Hello and welcome to the Coding Bytes. I am Abhishek Parmar, and in this video we are going to see some of the job opportunities. So the first job opportunity is from Capgemini, and they are hiring for Service Desk CIS, and the location will be Kolkata or Bangalore. And this is a full-time opportunity for 2020 and 2021 batch graduates, and the application deadline is 28 November, so make sure you apply before this date. And if you see the CTC, so CTC will be 2.5 LPA. First of all, let's see the qualification and criteria. So student must be graduated in year 2020 or 2021, and candidate should have 55% and above in 10th and 12th and graduation. And candidate must be open to relocate to any location and work in night shift. So these are some of the qualifications, and candidates should have good written and verbal communication skills. And if we see the desired skills, so you should have excellent communication and English speaking skills, and also good interpersonal skills plus basic computing skills, and willing to work in 24/7 environment. So these are the desired skills, and if you want to know more about this job, so you can read this job description. The link for this page will be given in the description of this video. Now let's see the next job opportunity, which is from LTI Infotech, and this is a non-engineering off-campus hiring, which means the candidate should have BCA, BSc, BCS, MCA or MSc or diploma for this particular hiring. And candidate should be graduated in year 2022, and you can see the job locations. So Mumbai, Pune, Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, these are the locations, and the test and interview will be conducted online, and the last date for this hiring is 30 November, so make sure you apply before this date. And if we see the eligibility criteria, so you should have 60% throughout your academics, and candidates should have these eligibility criteria. And to apply for this job, you need to fill this registration form. The link will be given in the description of this video. In the last few days, you have been hearing about the re-level test. I have some exciting news for every one of you. Re-level has launched 2 new tests in the domain of business analyst role and data analyst role. They have some amazing companies on board with the packages up to 22 LPA. Now you can register for the re-level test in 5 steps. Sign up on relevel.com, select the test of your choice in business development, front-end development or back-end development. Select a date and book a slot when you want to give the re-level test. Slots are limited, so I suggest you to book as fast as possible. Once you qualify the re-level test based on the score, you get to create an amazing re-level profile, which will be then shared with the companies for further process. Sit back and relax. Companies will reach out to you based on your profile. The better your re-level score, the more companies will reach out to you. So what are you waiting for? Register for the re-level test today. And if you don't want to miss more such opportunities, please subscribe to the Coding Bytes, and thanks for watching.